In the age of artificial intelligence, it's tempting to rely on smart algorithms for everything. From composing emails to diagnosing diseases, AI seems capable of almost anything. But is it always the right choice? While AI has revolutionized countless ways we work and live, there are situations where it's better to hit pause and reconsider. This narrative aims to guide beginners and tech-curious professionals through the circumstances when AI is not the optimal tool, and why that matters. The limits of AI. What can't algorithms do? Imagine you have a hammer. It's great for nails, but not every problem is a nail. AI, in essence, is a tool programmed to solve specific types of problems using data. However, it has substantial limitations. One core limit is creative reasoning. AI cannot generate truly original insights, synthesize abstract concepts, or emotionally connect in a deeply human way. It relies heavily on data it has seen before. If you ask AI for novel artwork, heartfelt consoling, or ethical rulings, it can mimic but not truly reflect humanity. As a professional, consider whether your task requires creative leaps, emotional intelligence, or moral discernment. If so, it's probably best to stick with humans. AI failures. When good algorithms go bad. Picture an autonomous car misinterpreting a road sign, or a smart assistant giving financial advice based on outdated data. Unsupervised, AI can make errors that range from annoying to catastrophic. This happens most often when AI is used without enough human oversight, in situations where consequences are grave: healthcare diagnostics, legal judgments, emergency response. For instance, AI may misdiagnose a rare condition that wasn't present in its training data, or unfairly refuse a loan due to unconscious bias. If the cost of a mistake is unacceptably high, such as physical harm, financial ruin, or loss of rights, never rely solely on AI, no matter how advanced. Data dilemmas. Bad inputs, bad outputs. AI is only as intelligent as the data fed into it. If data is incomplete, biased, or outright wrong, the results will be flawed. Imagine a hiring algorithm trained primarily on male resumes. It may overlook female candidates, perpetuating inequality. Or a chatbot learning from toxic internet forums, then spouting offensive remarks. In any setting where fairness, integrity, and factual accuracy are critical, stopping to scrutinize the data is essential. If you lack confidence in the data, don't use AI or risk misleading and discriminatory outcomes. Privacy and ethics. Risks in the shadows. AI systems often ingest vast amounts of personal data, your emails, photos, medical history. But where does that data go? Sometimes it leaks, sometimes it's used to manipulate. For instance, facial recognition systems can be misused for unlawful surveillance. AI-generated deepfakes can spread misinformation, and predictive analytics can invade personal privacy. If you're working within a domain where confidentiality, trust, and ethical treatment of people are essential, scrutinize whether AI respects those boundaries. When in doubt, opt out or ensure strict safeguards are in place. Human touch, empathy, trust, and relationship. Think about the last time you got bad news. Did you want a robot to comfort you or a human being? While AI chatbots can offer scripted support, they lack genuine empathy and understanding. In professions like counseling, education, healthcare, and customer service, the human touch remains irreplaceable. AI can assist, but shouldn't replace where emotional connection and trust define success. Legal and regulatory traps. The excitement around AI often leads to missteps in compliance. From copyright infringement by AI-generated content to violating data protection laws like GDPR, the risks are real. If you're unsure whether your AI use is legal, step back until you've consulted an expert.